Hello everyone and welcome back to your own channel. Let's talk business once again. As always, I'm excited to be here. I'm excited to be with you to discuss another important topic. Well, Lloyds is transforming and one of their major and very ambitious project is the future at Lloyds. So we are going to discuss about what is this future at Lloyds project and what is this blueprint one. So without any doubt, there is lot to know and lot to discuss. So without waiting more, let's start talking business. Well, as I said, in this session, we are going to cover the background and background research work before the Future at Lloyd's project. We are also going to discuss about the vision, what is Blueprint 1. We will also discuss about the future of Lloyd's ecosystem, where we are going to discuss about all the six initiative what they are taking. We are going to see how they are going to monitor their success factor, and we will see overall project approach. So this is going to be an overview session. So for those who are new to my channel, I am Ravi Shankar. I am having more than 16 years of experience. I'm largely associated with P&C and general insurance domain, currently practicing in Lloyds of London. And if you have any query related to this presentation or my previous presentation, you can reach me at ravi.s.sharma, or you can also reach me at my LinkedIn profile. You can follow me on Twitter, and you can find the PDF of this presentation at Let's Talk Business 1 in Telegraph channel. So let's begin. Well, the Future of Lloyds project started in fact way back in 2018 October, when the Lloyds started talking to their stakeholders and started understanding what exactly market is demanding. And the message was very clear. The market is technologically emerging and Lloyd was under tremendous pressure to appreciate this technological development and redefine and define their processes in a way that the technology and business complement each other. So way back in October, they started engaging with the market stakeholder. They started understanding, listening their voice. And what happened in May 2019, they released a prospect, Future of Lloyds prospect. And in this prospect, they talked about what Lloyds is going to do in order to be relevant into the market. And they talked about the six solutions, which I'm going to discuss later on in this presentation. And then what happened in October 2019, they also come up with the Blueprint 1. And this Blueprint 1 is nothing but their execution plan, like how they are going to achieve or modernize the Lloyds down the line 2-3 years. So we will talk about the future of Lloyds blueprint as well. And then 26th of February to 2020, they have published their first update, like how they are doing in phase 1 of the Future of Lloyds project. So we will also talk about it. So before that, we have to appreciate that there is a lot of research went in before publishing the prospect and the future of Lloyd. So what Lloyds did over the period of time, they have engaged with 100 weeks of consultancy with the industry experts within the Lloyds and the London market. They have conducted 300 plus interviews with the various stakeholders in order to understand what is their need and how market is responding to the changes business scenarios. And they have analyzed and conducted more than 500 plus surveys, and their responses, they have engaged 1200 plus stakeholders in a various activities, and these stakeholders were very actively engaged in the Lloyd studies on the various aspects of their conceptualization of transformation services. And then 600 plus users attended their interim events, where Lloyds is revealing what they're trying to achieve and validating their thought process. So there are a lot of extensive background work went in before publishing the prospect and the blueprint 1. Now, what is the vision? What is the larger picture? The one of the top vision is offer better solution for the customer risk, simplifying the processes of accessing product and services within the Lloyds. At this moment, Lloyd function are all broker centric, and sometimes it depends on the face-to-face interaction. So Lloyds wanted to reduce this, not exactly eliminate this, reduce this with a more efficient processes in place. Then Lloyds is also wanted to reduce the cost of doing business. This is one of the key initiative on which Lloyds is working, building an inclusive and innovative culture so that they can promote a fresh way of thinking and bring the Lloyds into the fast track of future development. Moving ahead, so what is this Blueprint 1 all about? Well, Blueprint 1 is a blueprint for the Future of Lloyds project. So in this blueprint, how Lloyd will look in the future, This is explained in this blueprint. The blueprint also talk about the 6 potential transformative ways to transform the market. We will discuss about it initiatives and then detail of phase 1 plan for each of 6 solutions. This is largely covered within the blueprint 1. Now, what is the Lloyd's ecosystem and what are those 6 transformative initiatives within the Lloyd's under the Future at Lloyd's project? So the first one is complex risk platform. The second one is risk exchange. Third one talks about the claim solution. Fourth one is capital solutions, syndicate in a box, and then finally service hub. So all these 6 solutions will be supported by Lloyd's underwriting performance, data, technology, modernization of syndication of risk, culture and people. We will talk about this in later subsequent presentation, not in this presentation, and refocus Lloyd's cooperation. And I said earlier that all these 6 initiatives will drive the better solution for the customers, simplified processes, helping Lloyd's to reduce the cost and promote the culture of inclusion and innovation. A lot to know and a lot to discuss about these 6 initiatives. So the first one is about the complex risk platform. Now, the complex risk platform is a digital end-to-end system that complements the face-to-face negotiation to submit the quote, bind risk, issue endorsements, and renew complex risk for the insurance and reinsurance business. The initial plan is to build the document plus data solution, which means that the system will store the PDF files as well as the data from the PDF file within the database table to have a better analysis. And then later on, going forward, they will try to move in only the data first solution where they will capture the data and they will go away from the documents. The second solution is about the risk exchange, and the risk exchange system is an exchange system for underwriting relatively non-complex, high volume, low value cases, which enables the policy to be created and bought digitally. So this is also a way to reduce the cost. The third one is about the claim solution, and this solution is designed to transform the claim processes by automating the simple claims, which is less than 5k pound GBP, so that they can do the straight through processing to process this high volume low value cases, resolving the standard claim handling on behalf of the market and empowering the lead underwriter to handle the most complex cases. Now, this is also a technological driven solution where Lloyd's is going to use the AI, the artificial intelligence, in order to understand the nature of claim and processes automatically so that they can reduce the turnaround time. Now we are talking about the capital solution, a solution that offers alternative capital providers more option to attach risk more flexibly for the benefit of the market participant. So we will talk about this capital solution later on. By the way, Lloyd's has dropped this capital solution from their priority list in 2020. So we will park this solution for a while and we will focus on those who are more relevant in 2020. Now another thing is the syndicate in a box. Now a new way to bring innovative business into the market for the set of period without the need of a physical presence in Lloyd, but subjected to the same performance and regulatory control as the new market entrants. Now this is very exciting and very important development within the Lloyd's, and the Mimicry is the first one who is going to use this syndicate in a box initiative. Moving ahead, we have now a service hub. A service hub is a set of high quality value added services to support the Lloyd's market business, including access to the Lloyd's data, insight and analytics, and business support function, product innovation accelerator. All these resources will be accessed via the online portal. So they will create an online portal and they will provide all this market analytics to participants so that they can take their business in a more informative way. Now, how they are going to manage their success factor, or what are their success factors? So basically what Lloyd's is trying to do is they're trying to reduce their cost of doing business from 40 to 30% by adopting the digitization and automation by using AI and other technology like RPA. And then they are moving to low cost channel which can further reduce it to 25%, something like a risk exchange and the straight through processing of claims, which means that they no need to spend more manpower and more energy to settle these high volume cases. And their initial analysis from the design lab suggested that 40% of the volume will be eventually traded on the risk exchange, and 15 to 30% of the claim will be straight through processing. These are the high volume, low value claims which can be straight away pull out from the normal processing and can be processed through automatic systems. Well, they have a 3 years plan for this project, the phase 1, phase 2, phase 3. Well, that's all from this short video presentation. I hope you have learned something. In this series, I'm going to focus on future of Lloyd's project, and I will start discussing about each solution separately so that we can understand what are these solutions and how this solution is helping Lloyd's to achieve their objective. So thanks a lot for watching. Have a nice day ahead. Bye bye and take care.